Hey, what's up folks, welcome to my channel. So if you are looking to transfer money with just your card number and CVV code and not want to go through OTP verification, you've come to the right video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money with just your card number and CVV code. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Alright, so before we continue, I'll recommend you check the video description for a link to the complete written tutorial that explains all the process from first step to the last, that will help you to transfer money with your card number and CVV code. Okay, so you want to check the video description and check this complete written guide that explains everything you need to know. Alright, so what you want to know is that when you are looking to transfer money from your bank account to another bank account, you typically be required to complete some sort of verification. And if you're banking with a bank like Bank of America, when you go to the online platform, you need to enter your username and your password also to log into your online banking platform. And to transfer money with them, they'll require you to complete some sort of verification in order to prove that you're the one that's actually authorizing this transfer. Okay, so verification is very important while making transfers, and the best way that these banking apps use to verify is through OTP. So what is actually OTP? So OTP, or one-time password, is an automatically generated numeric or alphanumeric string that contains characters that authenticate a user for a single transaction or login session. Okay, so if you are looking to transfer money using your banking app, there's more chances that they use this OTP for verification purposes. And you can see mobile device apps such as Google Authenticator rely on token and pin to generate one-time password. Okay, so if you are using your banking app to transfer money, it's definitely a mobile banking app, and what it does is that it limits fraudulent transaction and unauthorized account access by setting up a security measure known as the two-step verification. So this two-step verification is most likely to be a one-time passcode that will be required for every session that you want to log in to this banking platform. And when you want to transfer funds, you might be required to provide this OTP. Okay, so the case where you have to provide OTP for online fund transfers is when you want to transfer funds from your bank card, because most bank cards, especially debit cards and credit cards, they come with a one-time passcode that you must enter in order to transfer funds from this bank card. All of this is just to say that transferring money online with just a routine, with just your account and your account number and the CVV code, is kind of tricky, but it is not impossible, because in this video I will be showing you how to make a transfer with just your routine and just your account number and CVV code. Okay, so even if you are looking to withdraw funds from your card, then it is very convenient for you. This video is the video you need. Okay, so let's dive in. So in case you're looking to withdraw funds from your bank card with just its number and the CVV code, you want to check out websites that don't require OTP verification, okay, that don't require expiry date as well. Okay, so there are many websites, online shopping sites and put it that way, that will let you shop their catalogs and place orders with just your card number and CVV code. And a good example that's also going very low nowadays is Amazon. Okay, so while Amazon has updated their policies for card payments, you can also, in most cases, in most regions, place an order on the Amazon website without having to enter your expiry or your OTP. Okay, so you just need to enter the card number and make sure, and I suggest that the card is actually a card. You just enter the card number and the CVV code at the checkout, and once you enter that, you just have to place your order with Amazon. And in case Amazon isn't a good option for you, the best one that you want to try is Wish. So Wish is also an online e-commerce, site that also connects buyers and sellers alike. Okay, so if you're looking to place an order on this, if you're looking to buy an item, be it gift card or a fast fashion stuff, anything, a tech gear, tools, health and beauty catalog, anything, and you just want to use your card number and CVV code, then Wish is the website that you want to try out. So what you have to do is just go to the Wish website. I've dropped the link for this in the video description. Then once you're there, you can just come onto this login tab and make sure that you sign up to your account. Once you on the sign up pop-up, you can enter your first name, last name, email address, password, or if you already have an account, just enter your phone number or email and password. And then if you want to continue with social accounts, you can use Facebook, Google, or even Apple. And once you log into your account, just place an order on this Wish website. You can see they have thousands of orders or catalogs that are ready for orders placement. And once you place your order, you will just be able to use your card number and CVV code for the payment. Okay, it is not complicated, very straightforward. All right, so what if you want to transfer the funds unlike withdrawing them? What if you don't want to use the funds to withdraw funds? What if you don't want to use your card to withdraw funds by purchasing items on stores that don't require you to enter OTP? Okay, the best thing you want to do here is to transfer the funds with just your card number and CVV. Let's see how you can do that. Alright, so the best way to transfer funds with just your card number and CVV code is by using PayPal. Okay, so PayPal is a popular payment service that lets you send money internationally anywhere in the world. Okay, so once you have a PayPal account, once you log into your PayPal account on the PayPal website or in the PayPal mobile app, you just click on the send tab here, or you can go first to the wallet section. And once you're in the wallet section, you want to add your card, you want to link in your card, just enter your card. And once you've linked your card, you just come to the send tab here, and on this send tab you have to enter the name of the recipient, the username, or even the email and phone number. Once you enter those, you just click on the next button, and after you click on the next button, you follow the prompts to transfer money with just your card number and CVV. Alright, so one thing that you should keep in mind is that if you are located in India, you might not be able to transfer money with just your card number and CVV code, because in India the government has set some set of regulations on the financial sector which require every transfer to enter the card number, CVV, and expiry as well in order to make a transfer. And if you don't provide this, you won't be able to make a money transfer. But if you're located in the US, you can use any e-commerce store in the US to withdraw funds from your card without having to enter the expiry or OTP, or to go through OTP. Okay, so the stores that you can use are store examples like Amazon and Wish. And once you go to these stores, make sure that you enter your card details, make sure that you check them well and enter them right. And after entering them, place your order and use your card for the payment. And once you do that, when you do so, the transfer is going to be authenticated and the product will be purchased, which you will get after the product has been shipped. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of our video. That's how you get to withdraw or transfer money with just your card number and CVV. If you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming video. Okay, so don't forget to check the video description for the link to this complete written guide. As you can see, the guide details everything, including why you can transfer money without card number and CVV, and why you can't transfer money with card number and CVV. Okay, so don't forget to check the video description for the link to this guide. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one.